Yeah, this video's next week's extremely multiple low pressures to high pressures weather forecast UK 24 likes video. Press the thumbs up left side screen right now, please. The date today is the 1st of March, Friday morning, 24 guys. So we're getting weather forecast right now. Places interested with the global temperature. The west coast, South America, east and central and western central base areas, upper global temperature. The North Pacific Ocean, upper global temperature. The North Atlantic, upper global temperature. Off the west coast of Africa, upper global temperature. And the Gulf of Mexico, upper global temperature. See what's going on today, guys. Wow, wicked! Talking about some very extreme hot waters across the Atlantic Ocean. It's going to spell dangerous hurricane season across southeast and northeastern parts, especially in the Caribbean islands this year for 2024 summer, guys. We are talking about the central eastern parts of the epicenter region, quite hot still, but the central and the western parts from the eastern part are cooling down. We are going towards entering neutral now across the epicenter region right now, guys, especially in the western part, central part, which is a sign that's going to La Nina. It's coming, you name it, 2024. It sounds quite dangerous trouble there for hurricane season. I talk about some very wild bushfires across southeastern parts and eastern parts of Australia right now, fueled by the hot water from El Nino. With El Nino going away, it will let more hot air into the atmosphere with carbon dioxide being released, guys. I'm not joking. El Nino will let more warmer climate, and it's about ice melting in Iceland, up here, guys, and around Alaska, permafrost. This is bad news, guys. We'll let more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which spells trouble, guys. It's just dangerous year, guys, going into a very hot summer across the Northern Hemisphere, 45 Celsius across northwestern parts of Europe and the UK. It's my weather forecast. I could be wrong, but I'm almost 85% right. And more hurricanes, Category 6s and Category 5s across the Atlantic we can get everything in our lifetime. This is extremely against the upper global temperatures again, guys. I'm not joking. This is the American 12 GFS model. Said until about the 8th to the 9th of March. Talking about easterly winds there, southeasterly winds, quite warm air from the east there coming up from the Mediterranean. Very warm air from the east there. High pressure builds over from the Azores, guys. Gets quite warm air from the east there. Very warm air, quite hot up there. You name it. We are literally south of Jetstream. That black line's the Jetstream. Here we talk about multiple low pressures, guys. With these low pressure over the next few days, it will be quite cold and wintry precipitation, especially in higher ground across the UK and England, especially, and northern parts of Republic of Ireland around there. Then high pressure comes in. You can get the meshes, guys. This is terrible weather, guys. Next 2 or 3 days. Another deluge. Talk about the weather here. The upper air temperature, warm air for the future of the American 12 GFS model. That's the upper air temperature you see there. And this is the, you name it, the upper air temperature. Of course, working time locally. The red line is the 30-year average line, upper air temperature. White line is the temperature, guys. Go below it for the next 7 or so days, or 5 days or so. Then it goes above it. Then it goes below it. And you're talking about the potential chance of colder weather as we get into the last half of March 2024. But the operation around that green one wants to go up. And it wants to be warmer for the last half of March 2024 across working time locally. There's about a lot of rainfall spikes down here. Some of them might be wintry. I wouldn't be surprised. We look at the wintry precipitation right now across working time locally. Yep, there is a chance of some snow or sleet across working time locally, potentially for the next 2 to 3 days. Actually, you name it, wow, today into tomorrow. We have to keep an eye on that, guys. Maybe sleet and snow. Won't settle down, the ground's too warm. And weather working time locally today, so about a miles upwesterly wind. It's quite chilly upwest winds actually, but high of 8 Celsius, and we are in cold air. And unsettled tomorrow, and nicer on Sunday. Monday looks unsettled. Tuesday looks unsettled now. It was obviously nice. Wednesday looks unsettled now. Thursday is cloudy. It was obviously sunny. You can see what's going on in the future. Looking quite mild as we go further in the future because working time locally, but easterly winds from Russia. Oh yeah, I talk about the weather right now, currently across the UK right now. I talk about some very unsettled weather coming across here in the southeast. So you can see the heavy rain. This is Thames, man. This is all we need. More than Derridge. The flood situation at the moment, right, River Thames is still a flood alert around Weybridge. This is Thames, man. You can see how bad it is. We don't need more rain. And this is the, wow, you name it. This is basically, excuse the, see here what's going on. This is basically the upper air, well, the upper air wind direction, the upper 10 HPA, what's going on the North Pole. And you're talking about the winds going definitely to reverse, definitely got an SSW going on there. According to this website, guys, at upper air going below. So I'm going record breaking, so that's the serial line we're breaking it. So we've got this stuff, we're definitely on the way. With this one, I can see what's going on there, guys, basically. And then this is the, you name it, the reversal of the winds up at 10 HPA. You can see definitely 100% of them GFS models are going for it down here. See there, guys. You can get it up full free for you to look at. Right there, you go. You see what's going on. Looks likely, very potential possible. Let's see. And then this is the ECM, that's definitely going for it, definitely, guys. You see what's going on there, minus, wow, you name it, 10.5 on the date there. Be subscribed to Sean Slanagerms. Hope you like this video. Bye everyone, take care, and it's very stormy weather this week, so bye.